Hey guys, it's woop49 here. I'm gonna show you how many inches of snow we got. That you see right there is snow, not a curtain. My God. Whoa. And there's all my supplies, got weather coverage on from the Weather Channel. Winter storm warning effect. What? Oh, thank God. Okay, just want to show you how many in the area I'm in. He thinks I'm in Butler, but I'm really in Pittsburgh. It says 6 to 10 inches of snow expected. Holy shit, that's a lot. That is a lot. It's a damn lot of snow. It's fucking a lot. Okay. This is just 49 saying it's one hell of a blizzard out there.